Welcome back to another video of the Spark Trixx, where today we are installing a pretty much full straight pipe exhaust with a rear exit exhaust right here. So the stock factory exhaust is right over here. This is going to be pretty much deleted, and we're going to install whatever it's called. But yeah, we're going to start off by pretty much removing everything off the hull. This should be pretty basic. Just unscrew a million little bolts because we have to pretty much lift the entire hull up just so we can get this back portion off. And yeah, I mean, you will see me here in a split second, for you guys at least, after I get everything removed. Up to where we got here, I was able to take the back portion off. It's actually pretty annoying. I didn't know you actually have to remove the whole thing to actually be able to get in here. So what I ended up doing is I loosened all the screws and just pulled it up a little bit, stretched it out, and was able to slide it right out. I got the entire tube off this to actually take the exhaust off the can right there. Mine, weirdly enough, was like riveted shut. I haven't seen that before, at least in all the videos I watched. So I had to drill through the rivet and then was able to unscrew what holds in the muffler with like an oil cap, like, or oil filter tool, and then that slid out right here. Unscrewed it from the water box, then unscrewed the water box from there, and it slid right out, no problem. So now we are going to get to drilling this portion right here. I got the template and the 2 3/4 inch bit hole saw, so we can actually slide in the what do I do with the tape?
What did you do with it? This is the drill.
Just another Milwaukee drill. Just hold it in place. Where is my drill? She is almost dead. All right, here we go.
That's the one that's gonna work best.
Completely forgot to film it, but I used a template with the hole saw just to cut out this hole, and I'm using right now just a file. This file is actually rougher than I want, but I'm using it to clean up the edges a little bit, just so we have a smooth seal and everything. But guessing this guy is going to fit sort of snugly in that hole, you know. Not as snug as I'd want, but it'll do. I actually don't like how close these holes are to the edge. I feel like they should be further away to the edge. If you're off by even a little bit, you can kind of see it pokes in there. We'll just seal everything together very well, and I think we should be fine. Got it all installed and sealed. I still need to clean up some of the adhesive on there, but it's all sealed and good to go. All the screws have sealant on them too. I just gotta seal the nuts in, put the nuts in. It's all good, and then we can install the rest of the exhaust from there. Should be pretty good. Yeah, let me get these nuts in, and then I'll jump back on once we get that thing in. Sweet. Yeah. We got the rest of the exhaust in. We're gonna sound test it really quick. Still debating whether I got these. These are the holes I drilled are smaller than the taps, just so I could, like, you know, they would tap through. But the nuts actually don't fit. They rest against the actual housing itself. So he's saying I should drill them through, put the nut on, because I can still put the nut on then.
Well, I'm just saying, if you put it on like that, I bet you could just
I could
put a drill on.
I could hammer it and it would still slide in.
These would just sink in.
But
I'd just be worried about it coming apart. Then you'd have to order a whole new one, because this would probably just fall right into the leg.
Nah, we're fine. It's held on by the exhaust. Alright, let's get this sound test. I'm going to pull this thing out really quick and get some water flowing through it, and we will sound test it. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's see what happens. Okay, time for the actual startup. I didn't realize that if we put water in it, since there's no more water box, it gets into engine. So I had to let that dry out of the spark plug for a bit. No, I don't think it'll get wet.
Yeah, when you rev it, it's pretty cool.
No, I don't think there's that much water left in it. There we go.
It's a lot of shit.
This will be cool out on the water. Still gotta let it seal up and everything, and it gets super hot. But yeah, I think it's time for reassembly of everything, everything put back together. Probably should do that intake, but sounds like a lot of work. We'll figure it out. I might try to get it done right now. Welcome guys to the second day of finishing off this little project I got here. It's nice and dry now. It's actually been a couple of days. I've been meaning to get on the water, but it's been cold, kind of cloudy, and I've just been working. It's just crazy. But everything's set up. I'm ready to go out, and we are going to hopefully not be taking on water. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Just filled her up with gas right down the road from the launch, so we are ready to go. Gotta pull out here. There's so much traffic. I'm doing this in like rush hour traffic, but it's the only day I'm not working, so here we go. See you guys at the launch. It's actually louder than I expected, especially when you're like full throttling it, or even just like it is loud. It sounds really good though. I actually kind of like it for such a small engine. If I sink it. Well, yeah, we're gonna get out here into the lake, cruise around for a little bit, get it mounted on my chest, and have some fun.
feel lonely by your side in the middle of the night. I feel lonely by your side in the middle of the night. I'm standing in the dark, I'm listening to you, and all I feel is love. Aggressive vibes consuming me. I'm falling just for you. It's all I get, it's all I get, it's all I get, it's all I get, it's all I get. So consume me.
that is the end of today, end of this video. As you can see, it is quite loud. Probably get some B-roll shots really quick. Get you guys a slightly better view there of the Bronco. Pull the sweatpants up for this one. Ooh. We'll just pull it the rest of the way up. Oh, I could have backed in a little bit more. Well guys, that's the end of the video. We get everything wrapped up. First ride, perfect. Really wasn't sure whether we'd take on water or not. We luckily didn't. Check the drain plug, there's no water that came out. Everything looks good here. See a little bit of water still draining out and everything. But yeah, it is super loud, sounds great, no complaints. And yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys back for the next video, where I don't even know what I'm gonna do, but we'll figure it out. Cool.